Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and must be in good health. I am Hina ma'am, your LS teacher, and today I am going to introduce you all the RFP book for class 5 for second term is The Girl Who Chose, and the author of this book is Devdutt Pattanaik. Okay. Now I come to the content. Content means how many chapters are there in this book. So there are 5 chapters in this book. Okay. Now I am going to give you the gist of the story. The 5 chapters are actually the 5 choices which Sita ji made. Right. And I start with her first choice. So the first choice which Sita ji made was to follow Ram, to spend her life with Ramji in the jungle. Fine. When Ramji was sent to exile, so Sita ji, she said that I will also go with Ram, with my husband, and I will live with him in the forest. She broke the rule and she stepped out of her kingdom and she stayed with Ram. Now I come to the second choice. She chose to cross the Lakshman Rekha and to feed the hungry man. Right? That ended up being kidnapped. So Sita ji was kidnapped. Who was that man? He was Ravana. Right? Now her third wish. So what was her third wish? Her third wish was Sita ji refused to go with Hanuman. So students, when Hanuman ji, he came to take Sita ji. He came to Lanka to take Sita ji back. But Sita ji, she refused and she said that I want my husband Ram to cross the sea, come to Lanka, kill Ravana and rescue me. Fine. So that was her third choice. Now her fourth choice. So what was her fourth choice? Her fourth choice was that when Ramji came to Lanka, he defeated Ravana, and after defeating Ravana, Sita ji was free. He gave choice to Sita ji that now you are free to go anywhere, but she made her choice and she said, I will go back with you to the kingdom, to my own kingdom of Ayodhya. And for that she proved her love. She walked on the flames of fire. Right? Now the last choice of Sita ji. What was her last choice? The fifth choice. After some time, when she came back to Ayodhya, they started living. Ramji was crowned the king. He was king of Ayodhya and she was the queen. But there were few people who did not like. So they started putting allegations on Sita ji. And Ramji, he supported the people. He trusted the people and he said Sita ji to leave the kingdom. And Lakshman ji dropped her in the jungle. And then Sita ji started living in the jungle. After some time, she gave birth and she became a mother of 2 powerful sons, Love and Kush. Then years passed. At end, Ramji, he said Sita ji to come back again to the kingdom. But her fifth choice, she said I will not come back to that kingdom where reputation matter more than love. And what did she do? She called the earth and she was embraced beneath the earth. So that was her fifth choice. So students, after reading this book, definitely you will come across many characters. You have to make your own choice. The choice which always have the option to help people. Fine? Now you have to read this book. I have given you the gist of the story, the gist of the choices which Sita ji made. So you have to read this book during the Dussehra holidays. With this, take care of yourself, stay fit and happy reading.